Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily update your graphic drivers. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to head towards Device Manager. So right click on the Windows icon in the taskbar and from the menu, go to Device Manager. You can also type in the Start menu Device Manager to open the application. Then after here, go to Display Adapters, double click on it or simply click on the drop down menu on the left hand side. Then after you will see your adapters, double click on it and go to Driver. At the top you can see the option of Driver. Then simply click on Update Driver and simply choose for the folder. Once chosen, your driver will now be updated. So that's it. That is how easily you can update your graphic drivers. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.